This is Professor Russell Wilson again. We have factoring here. We have a 5c squared minus 24cd minus 5d squared. When you see something like that, probably the best way is to do AC method. AC method here, a equals 5, c equals negative 5, as in ax squared plus bx plus c. First, the leading coefficient is 5, the last coefficient is negative 5. And by the AC method, you multiply the a times c, which is 25, actually negative 25. And then what you have here is, since the middle term is negative 24, we can get it by, it's negative 25 times 1 is negative 25. We can use negative 25 plus 1, which is negative 24, to break up the equation into 4 terms. We can use the factor by grouping. So your 5c squared minus 24cd minus 5d squared becomes 5c squared minus 25cd plus 1cd minus 5d squared. We could have switched the 25 and the 1 here if we wanted to, but it's probably a little easier to put the big number here with the 5 and the lower number there. So breaking this up into 4 terms, so we can use the factor by grouping. In one group, I have 5c squared minus 25cd. In the second group, after the plus, I have 1cd minus 5d squared. GCF factoring, factor out the 5c, gives me a c minus 5d. Only 1 here, 1d, but it gives me a c minus 5d. That is not a coincidence, because now we can factor out the c minus 5d. What we have left over is the 5c plus d. So therefore, 5c squared minus 24cd minus 5d squared, the answer is c minus 5d times 5c plus d.